All right, you guys, so this is the before look of my bedroom. This is the before look. So my husband is about to paint the walls here. So just giving you all like a before look before he starts painting. You see? All right, you guys, so he's gonna start painting soon. All right. So what are you doing with the plastic, hon?
Got my good side, right? Alright, so I'm just gonna paint this wall.
Okay.
The color you chose.
All right.
Then I'm just preparing, prepping, covering everything for no paintings on the stuff.
Okay.
So, touch up the wall. Sand it down a little bit.
Okay. That sounds good.
Before I do that, I don't want the particles in the air to settle in the thing.
Okay. All right, so we're just covering up our TV so it won't get paint on there. Yeah. Yeah, this is really happening, you guys. We are redecorating our bedroom.
Same way they done it.
Huh? Get out.
That was recording.
Okay, good. You guys, we're just covering the outlets so we won't get paint in the way. So, yes, this is what we're doing. Okay. See how perfect that looks, you guys? I did it myself. All right, you guys. We're mixing the paint. Here we go. And what color paint is this, Bun?
Black, matte.
All right, this is a matte black paint. And we're getting this party started, y'all.
Gotta mix it. Get it stick.
Oh, that black looks so good. All right, you guys, I'm about to paint. This is how you paint. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, this is so fun, guys. So this is how you paint. It's coming together, you guys. Yes, didn't I do a good job? I know I did. Okay, baby, you can go down. All right, you guys, it's coming together. Y'all, this room is about to be cute. Bear doing an awesome job. What's up, you guys? So this is finally the room reveal, okay? My husband did an amazing job with the transformation of our bedroom. So here we go. I'm going to show you guys our room. All right, you guys, my hand is on the door. This is the final reveal of my room. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's so cute in the dark, but let me get the light turned on. All right, you guys, and here we go with the final results. Just a plain white wall on this end, bedding here, and this is the amazing part, my black walls, you guys. Look at this. My husband did an amazing job on the painting. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, isn't this amazing? So let me just go back some more so you guys can kind of see. But this is from a distance. This is a black wall in my bedroom, the accent wall as they call it. So I have a little decor here. I got this little plant here from, where did I get this from? Burlington, actually. So I got this little Burlington plant here. And you see these pictures here, this one, that one over there, and this one over there. Those came in a set that I got those from Shein. My sister got me on that, so hey, shout out to you, Angie. But yeah, here's the wall, you guys. And then, like I said, we have our TV hooked up. My hubby put this little, what do they call this? Little shelf here. He put this up. Isn't it so cute? Our marriage picture here. And then this is me and my mother-in-law. Love you, Mom. Rest in peace. But yes, here's our room. And then this is the other side of the room. Our dresser here. Sorry about this. Let me close this drawer. Y'all know I'm trying to have this as clean as possible for you guys. But yes, it's a dresser. And yeah, you guys, this is the room. This is my safe haven. This is where I go to relax and get away from my husband when he's getting on my nerves. I'm just kidding. But yeah, this is the final review. I'm just trying to give you all different angles of the bedroom. But here you go. This is our place, you guys. I am so blessed and I'm so grateful that my husband does carpentry work and painting and all of that, because this would have been a lot of money, especially living in New York. But yes, so if you need any type of renovations, electrical work, painting, plastering, all that stuff, my husband hit me up. My husband does all of that work. If you're living in the New York area, he will get you right. But yeah, you guys, here you go. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below. Just how do you think we did? How do you think my hubby did? He did good, regardless of what you think. I just play it. But I love you guys, and I will talk to you later. Bye.